Hello, y'all. The vocal doctor here. The vocal doctor. I'm here today because I'm so glad that you're here with me. But I have a question. How many of you really know your range? Well, today I have a student who came in. This is a part of her actual vocal diagnosis. That means it's our first time meeting, our first time getting together. And she told me I am a tenor, alto, and a soprano. I sing all three ranges in my voice. So I was like, okay. So I was excited. I was ready to get started. And I was like, all right. She said she's all three ranges. Well, guess what? I'm going to let you hear for yourself what I heard. And then I will come back and tell you what was really going on. All righty. So her name is LaCrystal. It was our first meeting. Her vocal diagnosis, she found out many things about her voice, and I'm just going to share a little piece of it with you. Do you know your vocal range? Let's find out. So let's share the screen, and we're going to get right to it. This is an actual class that we were doing. All righty, so listen up. Take a listen. We're still not done because I think your voice can do some more. Just go. Oh! You did drink some water, right? Okay. Good. You got some pipes. You up there, I'm like, what? See, you got power up there. See, like mine is all like, yours is like, I'm like, whoa. Can you hear it? We were still doing. Now we're going to change the vowel from O to E. So act like you have an apple right here, and you're going to put a big bite print in like this. Where's your apple? Where's your apple? You did it naturally, but still. Good. Little girl. Kimberly McFarland. Girl, what in the world? You're at A flat. I'm running out of piano. Let me scoot over. Okay. I'm like, okay. It's real close. Sound like we almost to the end. Did you hear it? Mm-hmm. Okay. One more. That's it. We found her. What in the world you up here doing? Hey, hold on. Let me figure out what A you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are at up to A7. But before we write that down, you really didn't have a break. Your break didn't super break, so your break was really, really high, which is very odd. I haven't had a student break this high. So you broke on B flat. Broke on B flat. Let me figure out which one. All righty, you all. If you just heard Miss LaCrystal singing, Miss LaCrystal talking about she's a tenor. Did you not hear how high that soprano was? That was the highest soprano I didn't heard with all that power in her voice. She was super high. Oh my gosh. This is the reason y'all need to check y'all's range. You need somebody to help you know what you're working with. She had no tenor at all. She could not sing low at all. Okay, not at all. She had a really good alto range, which is a medium voice, and her soprano range was superb with power, with depth. My God, she is going to be my actual student. And let me tell you something, it's going to be great to see what comes out of her voice, because that was just a warm up. And she was powerful and she was great. And I'm just so excited to hear her, because she can do some of those soprano songs that a lot of times a lot of ladies can't do, but she'll be able to do that. I hope you learned something today. Do you know your vocal range? Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you click that bell to follow the vocal doctor. Don't miss anything, because you might miss your blessing, baby. You just never know, okay? And if you're wondering about my shirt, Heavenly Sounds, when you see this on my shirt, this is the name of my actual business, Heavenly Sounds Piano and Voice Studio. You can find me, you can Google me. Remember, I'm in Arlington, Texas, but really I'm all over the world, because I'm now virtual. So I can be your instructor as well. Get your vocal diagnosis, because you need to know your range. All right, y'all, follow me on Instagram, The Vocal Doctor. Follow me on Facebook. Also, of course, on YouTube and anywhere else that you may be able to find me, all right? Y'all take care. You have a wonderful day. Bye.